Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to use Digits Web Dashboard. Now, Digits Web Dashboard offers a convenient way to manage your savings and finances right from your computer. To access it, go to the Digits official website and log in into your account using your credentials. Once inside, you're going to see an overview of your linked bank accounts, your current savings goals, as well as recent transactions. The dashboard lets you easily create, edit, or delete savings goals to track your progress with visual charts and review your savings history in details. It also provides access to account settings and support options. Using the web dashboard complements the mobile app by giving you a bigger screen and more detailed views, making managing your money much simpler and a lot more efficient. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.